Better investment? Ethereum versus Cardano. The story behind Ethereum and Cardano is certainly a very interesting one. Many across crypto are familiar with names such as Satoshi and Vitalik Buterin, but Charles Hoskinson is soon reaching the status of crypto legend, the CEO and founder of the extremely exciting Cardano project. In fact, Hoskinson was actually a co-founder of Ethereum. Alongside Buterin, he managed to create one of the most innovative and exciting blockchain projects that have risen to become one of the largest across the planet. However, Hoskinson left Ethereum after some disputes regarding financing, funding, and the direction of the project. Setting off on his own, Charles Hoskinson decided to set up the Cardano project. Performing reasonably well since its conception, Cardano and the ADA token have seen unprecedented levels of growth across recent times, with many investors claiming that the ADA token will soon overtake Ethereum and perhaps even Bitcoin. Thanks for joining us today at No Cap Crypto. Today, we'll be taking a very close look at one of the most anticipated blockchain protocols that has opted to approach decentralized finances with a revolutionary and unique mentality. There are many claims and rumors surrounding the Cardano project, so pay close attention and make sure you stick around till the end of this video because you don't want to miss out. As of now, Ethereum and Cardano sit close behind Bitcoin, each with their very own clear and distinct vision for the future of the cryptocurrency landscape. Both blockchains offer smart contract capabilities, with both teams adopting a radically different and unique mentality towards the upcoming crypto generation. In fact, many analysts are calling Cardano at the forefront of the next generation of blockchain protocols, alongside major projects such as the Tron network. Perhaps the greatest difference between the Cardano and Ethereum is the method in which both projects look to develop and further their ecosystems. Ethereum has often turned towards the private sector with its use cases, seeing huge levels of adoption across Europe that's slowly starting to spread and gain traction across Asia. Cardano, in contrast, has always looked to focus on the developing nations across the planet, primarily governments and public institutions. This is clear to see through the many Cardano implementations across a few African nations. The Cardano project is offering infrastructure services and solutions through innovative use of its blockchain technology. The team behind the Cardano project actually announced a combination with the Ethiopian government in the creation of a national database using Cardano-based technology. Currently operating successfully, Cardano is looking for further implementations of its groundbreaking technology. These successful applications of the Cardano project have further served to drive market confidence in the offering and underlying technology and its use cases. Atala Prism is at the forefront of the more innovative and imaginative use cases for the Cardano project. A decentralized identity solutions provider, Hoskinson maintains that it's these interesting applications of futuristic technology that shall make blockchain protocols essential for the large-scale adoption of smart contract cryptocurrency blockchain. Even in regards to development, both Cardano and Ethereum have vastly different approaches to their respective projects. Ethereum has a famously hands-on approach and often looks to implement and integrate untested and unproven ideas and methodologies into its system, as opposed to Cardano, which prides itself on every component and integration having been peer-reviewed and heavily tested long before any serious consideration of implementation. It's no secret that the Ethereum blockchain currently hosts the largest ecosystem of all projects available, with in excess of thousands of altcoins, stablecoins, NFTs, dApps, and much more, as opposed to Cardano, whose offerings are severely limited in comparison. To be fair, Cardano is barely halfway through its proposed roadmap. Regardless of the slow and methodical approach and the severely lacking Cardano ecosystem, the ADA token has often performed well and consistently sits as a top 10 performing token by market cap, with an extremely extensive and highly bullish community. Although Ethereum does sit a close second to the digital coin gold standard that is Bitcoin, the Ethereum project has been losing a lot of support due to some insanely glaring issues that are extremely off-putting to most retail crypto investors. The main chain is severely congested, with long transactional times as well as unbelievably high gas fees to pay miners. However, Ethereum is currently midway through a huge collection of updates across a gradual rollout collectively referred to as Ethereum 2.0, aiming to fix and rectify plenty of issues with the Ethereum project. This places Ethereum 2.0 in direct competition with Cardano and the ADA token. It's only a matter of time to see which offering shall come out on top. Perhaps a fairer comparison of Cardano should be in regards to Ethereum 2.0 as opposed to the current version of Ethereum. But before we take a closer look, we need to ask, hey, are you liking the video so far? If so, I have good news. Make sure you like and subscribe to No Cap Crypto because we release videos like this every week. Also, comment below and let us know whether you're feeling bullish on Ethereum or Cardano, and make sure to stay to the end of this video because both projects have some very exciting developments in store for investors. The Cardano project does have some exciting strategic partnerships on the horizon. In fact, many legacy and traditional financial institutions are starting to recognize the potential from Cardano, with the world-famous Grayscale Trust recently applying for a Cardano trust filing with the SEC. Coinbase has also only recently listed ADA during the midst of this year, with the ADA/USD pairing listed as one of the largest, indicating a huge demand from investors looking to buy into the ADA token. However, Ethereum is a far more legitimate crypto investing opportunity, considering the fact that there currently exists 4 Canadian-based ETFs of a total of 8 crypto ETFs across all of North America, alongside the fact that Visa is looking to test crypto-related transactions across the Ethereum blockchain. As of now, although ETH does sit as one of the higher valued coin prices, it's hard to ignore the sheer rates of token price for the ADA token are far superior, having seen an excess of 40x across recent times, nothing but consistent growth across the previous year. The ADA token is limited from seeing a ridiculous all-time high token price due to its insanely massive token supply. This intelligent decision to mint and circulate so many tokens can guarantee a much greater deal of transactional volume and everyday use upon the release of further utility and implementations, as well as a deceivingly higher market cap. It should go without saying that the crypto sector as a whole is set to see a bright and fruitful future, with both Ethereum and Cardano riding that wave alongside the many exciting new and innovative technology updates in store. Although Ethereum currently sits far ahead of Cardano in terms of utility and use cases, it's hard to ignore the stringent and strict approach that Cardano utilizes throughout its development. Alongside the exciting upcoming strategic partnerships in store, could Cardano really sit as the king of the cryptocurrencies in the near future? Let us know what you think about today's daily dose of fresh news from crypto in the comments below. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor and that this video exists purely for educational purposes. Please do your own research and make your own intelligent financial decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video, and I'll see you in the next one.